Hello, madam. I hope you're doing good. Today I'm going to demo my Lab 1, my JavaScript Lab 1 assignment. Well, this is my index page where I included the required font awesome and bootstrap links, and I have a navigation bar for the different link in the navigation with the font awesome icons. I have my welcome message in the H1 tag and inside a div. Moving on to my about page. Yeah, I say have my navigation bar links, and I have a class about where I insert an image and a text inside the class about text, followed by a download saved resume button. Moving on to my contact.html, I have um, my form where I pass in the username, the email address, the phone number, and a short message. And also have my submit and reset button. And moving on to the product page, I have a gallery div class where I pass in the different items of my products, like the gaming chair, the gaming controller, and the gaming headset with the various buttons. In the service HTML, I have my services inside the service content that I listed in a class row. Now moving on to the JavaScript file, decided these are the required instruction given inside the PS and the PDF file where I get the different elements. I validate the email address, validate the username, validate the phone number, clear the error message, and the function to redirect in the contact form when everything is correct. Yeah, and I have my reset button, and at the end, this is my animations stuff. Moving on to my style.js, yeah, all my styling of my web page is right inside here. Moving on to the page. Let me go to my index. This is my welcome page, my index. Moving on to products. This is what it looks like. And it's like together because my screen is small. So if I expand it, yeah, you'll be a little bit better. Moving on to service. Is it? That's what it looks like. About is what it looks like. And the contact form. Pass in the username. Chat message passed. And you output all the information in the console log, and then redirect to the index page after 3 seconds. When I click the reset button, it erases everything. And the last thing is the human resources that are inserted with the JavaScript in between about and contact. And that was all for me. Thank you very much.